So this is January 21 JEE mains question from organic chemistry. So one of the easy question. So I'll try to give the detailed explanation here. So particularly A in hydrogen in presence of platinum, so we'll get alkanes. It's a just reduction reaction, as well as in the KMnO4 this product is forming. So which of the following is correct? So particularly reduction reaction means obviously double bond is converting into single bond, right? So that doesn't matter. So how many number of double bonds are there? Here is 2 moles is given. 2 moles means obviously 2 double bonds. So you can cross check the options. All are 2 double bonds. So we can't predict with the help of first reduction. Then the second one. In the second case, KMnO4. So particularly KMnO4 with alkenes. So we need to know whenever, for example, CH3CH double bond CH2, for example, what I am trying to say. Otherwise, I'll take CH3. So to solve this one, so we need to break the bond first, like we need to do the ozonolysis. So like CH3, C double bond O, CH3, and the hydrogens, the double bond hydrogens we need to replace with OH group. So means here is 1H is there, 1H. So nothing but directly I am writing OH, here is OH, carboxylic acids generally we will get. Okay, what I am trying to say, whenever the double bond is there, first break the double bond and add 2 oxygens both sides, C double bond O, C double bond O, the first point number 1. If the double bond is having the hydrogens, if it is having the 2 hydrogens, we need to add 2 OH groups. If it is having only 1 hydrogen, 1 OH group we need to add. Okay, so now this is the process. Now in this case, here is 2 sides, 2 COOH are same side. So particularly I'll go with the option C. For example, the compound is like this. Right, nothing but here is hydrogen, hydrogen, here is also hydrogen, hydrogen. So what I told, first we need to break the bond. Just break the bond here and break the bond here. Right, carbon, carbon. So nothing but what? Here is C, H I told you, so I am just directly writing the OH and double bond O. And C, OH, double bond O. And here is also plus C, this is OH now because HH converting into OH. C double bond O, C double bond O. Nothing but we can write, so exactly option C is matching. So answer is C. So here is once again I am telling in KMnO4. KMnO4s are 2 types. Cold alkaline KMnO4, that's we are called as Bayer's reagent. So for example, I will try to give you one more example. Cold alkaline KMnO4. Bayer's reagents. Syn hydroxylation takes place. Means what? Same site, 2 OH groups are adding. But whereas in case of KMnO4 in presence of H plus or heat cases, the double bond is breaking, right? Double bond O, and here is hydrogens are there, right? 2 hydrogens we need to convert into OH, like this. So KMnO4, these are the reactions, don't confuse. There is a huge chance in the April may ask this type of questions again, KMnO4, right? So KMnO4, obviously option C will be the option. So if you can cross check here, so we'll get different types of products, but that is not matching with the option. But we need to know the fundamental, so that fundamental So what is that? Double bond we need to break like ozonolysis. Separate the two carbons, add two oxygens both side, and the double bond carbon, if it is having the hydrogen, that hydrogen is replacing with OH. One more important point, if carbon is having two OH group, Nana, so then that cases it losing water molecule, it loses water molecule, it becomes CO2. It becomes CO2. So just that is also just keep in your mind. For example, CH2, double bond CH2 with KMNO4, H plus. So what would be the product? First I told you, break the bond, CH2, double bond O, CH2. First point. The second point, the double bond carbon is having the two hydrogens. So the two hydrogens OH, C double bond O, and it is also C double bond O, COH, OH. Then remove the water molecule, because if the carbon is having the two OH groups, that is unstable, it's losing water molecule. So here H2O and here is also H2O is going at 2 moles of CO2 we will get as a product. So this is one of the important reaction. For example, each case we will get different types of products. We'll see two more examples. For example, CH3CH double bond CH2 plus KMNO4 H plus, KMNO4 H plus. So now what we need to do? Just break the bond here. CH3 CH, so directly I am writing CH plus OH, C double bond O plus CO2. This is converting into CO2, C double bond O, OH like previous case. Now this do as a homework. KMNO4 do as a homework. Because we need to know the concept clearly, whatever they are asking the question. If in this case, if the double bond is not having any hydrogen, so no need to do anything, directly we'll get 2 moles of acetone, directly like ozonolysis, right? Directly like ozonolysis. Right? Right now. Write the products. Sometimes ozonolysis and KMNO4H both we will get the same products also. So that I'll give you one more example. In this case, if you are doing the ozonolysis, O3 zinc in presence of water. So here is no hydrogens, just we need to break the bond and we need to put oxygens both sides. This is one. If you are doing the KMNO4 in H plus, what exactly happens? OH is coming here. So, but here is no hydrogens, right? No hydrogens. So same product will be the same here also. Product is also same. To differentiate these two, one more example I'll give you. To avoid the confusion. Here is the hydrogen if I am giving, for example. O3 zinc in presence of water. In this case, no need to put anything. Here is also no need to put. Here is H like that only in ozonolysis. Whereas in case of KMNO4, what exactly happens? OH double bond O like that. So see the clear difference. Here is H is there, here is the OH. So like ozonolysis also we can compare with the KMNO4. One of the important question in the future also they may ask one more time this question, right? So in the April, the people who didn't perform well in this January session. So this question is useful for them. So remaining questions also I'm giving the clear explanation, basic fundamentals also, which I'm going to teach each and every question. So follow this channel and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.